Most leaders do not lose influence because they lack skill. They lose it because their executive presence is weak. Now, do not confuse executive presence with being loud, extroverted, or dominating a room. It's about showing up clear, calm, and credible so people feel your authority without even forcing it. Let us break down the 5 signals and, more importantly, how to fix each one. Stay till the end because these fixes are small but massively impactful. Sign number 1, you disappear during disagreement. Fix this and you will project calm authority even in tense moments. The moment tension shows up, you shrink, deflect, or go silent. You think you are being collaborative, but what people see is the fear of confrontation that erodes trust. The fix: reframe conflict. It is not war, it's sparing. Good ideas are forced in disagreement. Strategic pause, 3 seconds before replying. It signals thoughtfulness, not panic. Curiosity response, that is an interesting point. Help me see your side. Calm assertiveness, I see it differently and here's why. Sign number 2, your message lacks punch. Fix this and people will actually remember and act on what you say. You talk but nothing happens. Blank stares, polite nod, no energy. Because unclear communication is equal to unclear leadership. The fix: use the GPS framework. Overview, support, example, recap. Cut filler words. Silence is greater than weak language. Active voice: I have decided and not it was decided. Tune your voice. Vary pace. Pause for power. Drop tone at key points. Sign number 3, your body language betrays you. Fix this and you will look like a leader before you speak a single word. You might say all the right things, but if your posture, eyes, and gesture don't match, people won't buy it. The fix: posture. Tall shoulder, relaxed, spine straight. Purposeful gesture. Emphasize, do not apologize. Eye contact, steady, one person at a time. Record yourself, it's uncomfortable but game-changing. Sign number 4, you suffer from analysis paralysis. Fix this and your team will see you as decisive and trustworthy. You overanalyze, you wait for the perfect clarity. Meanwhile, your team is stuck, and stuck team lose momentum and faith. The fix: use 70% rule. If you're 70% sure, make the call. Trust your intuition. It is experience speaking fast. Own your decision. Here is what we are doing. Here is why. Here is next. Sign number 5, your action do not match your words. Fix this and you will inspire deep trust and loyalty. You talk balance but email at midnight. You demand ownership but dodge accountability. The mismatch: leadership poison. When action and words diverge, trust collapses. The fix: brutal self-audit. Where do your actions contradict your values? Make commitment visible. If you promise, block the time. Lead with values out loud. Transparency matters. I made a mistake and here is how I will fix it. Let's recap the 5 signals. 1, you disappear during disagreement. 2, your message lacks punch. 3, your body language betrays you. 4, you get stuck in analysis paralysis. 5, your actions do not match your words. Remember, these aren't flaws, they are signals, and signals can be tuned. Executive presence is not about changing who you are. It's about turning up the volume on your best leadership qualities so people feel your authority in the room.